And there's pictures on the front of them, and they'll keep the rats away. So talk to Pat back there. She'll set you up with a screaming 2-for-1 deal, one night only. Probably not, but you know they're not expensive. So. What are we gonna do, Tom?
Cheyenne. This is about the Cheyenne Indians. I'm saying it because I'm Cherokee. No, I'm not. I'm Chippewa, sorry. I'm Chippewa.
That's not the right word. That's the wrong word.
Okay, I'm Chippewa and Irish. I don't know how that goes together. But
Chip Irish. Irish law. Irish law. All right.
Speaking of Irish,
yeah. Whoa.
2 Irishmen walked out of a bar. It could happen. I told you they'd get worse.
Okay, you ready?
that's what we're gonna do. We're up here changing the set list. Set lists are merely suggestions. Suggestions not often taken. But that's okay.
That's all right.
It's okay. You want to change your order?
Bacon?
Feels very food
You want some
centric.
water? Is that what you're saying? This is actually the title song off our last release. Did pretty well with this one.
Yeah.
This was last August, just about a year ago. This was the #1 downloaded album in the country in bluegrass Americana music. And,
Actually, the number 2 in the world.
You know,
but see, then people actually listen to it. They stop buying
they
it.
just download it and throw it.
But
Rock
anyway,
stars in England.
That's right. That's right. And it's
if we ever
funny.
get to the Czech Republic, they'll know our names.
And it's funny. You can be on, and I'm not kidding here. We're on the air in some like 37 countries, and we're making tens of cents.
I have to tell a story. There's a guy down in, he lives near Nashville. His name's Larry Stevenson. He's been playing music since he was like 12 years old, and he's my age, so he's in his 30s now.
Did he chisel his first guitar?
Second time around in his 30s. He got a check for royalties from one of the songs that he wrote several years ago, and he was so excited he put it on the internet, and he said it sold like 10,000 copies or something for the artist that recorded it. He got 99 cents. So he was so excited he put it on the internet. So people tell you they don't make money in bluegrass, they're lying to you. We make tens of dollars. Anyway, this is the title song off our latest recording, which, as Dave said, you can buy in the back from the lady with the sign that says Fossil Creek on it. That's so we can find our way there so she can lead us to the cars so we can get home. But anyway,
Buy a CD or we'll keep playing.
there you go. We'll play for free. It costs money to make us stop. Anyway, this is called Waiting on the Daylight.
Face the darkness, waiting on the daylight. Raised up on the wrong side of the mountain. Life's a daily battle all uphill, and it takes everything you got to just keep climbing. And when you think it won't get worse, it probably will. But someday I'm gonna reap the seed I've sown. So I'm gonna keep my shoulder to the stone. Got no cause to fear the coming night. I'll face the darkness, waiting on the daylight. Let the cold winds blow like a pillar, I stand still. Life can break a body, I won't let it break my will. I may not win the prize, but I won't give up the fight. I'll face the darkness, waiting on the daylight. Are just given to temptation. They can't muster up the strength to just say no to a pair of wandering eyes on a pair of aces. Am I in trouble? Apparently so. Cause I've never been afraid to walk that line. And I've had a ball or two in my time. But through it all, she's right there by my side. So I face the darkness, waiting on the daylight. Let the cold winds blow like a pillar, I stand still. Life can break a body, I won't let it break my will. I may not win the prize, but I won't give up the fight. I'll face the darkness, waiting on the daylight.
might win the prize, but I won't give up the fight. I'll face the darkness, waiting on the daylight. Folks, thank you so much.
We're going to take about a 5-minute break to actually tune a little bit. Take a
Good
drink
idea.
of water, and we'll be right back.
All right.